Exhibition. Concept. Students showcase their design and prototype of an innovative water stove that utilizes water-based principles for efficient, clean, and sustainable cooking or heating. This would be a hands-on interactive exhibit.
Okay, please explain the model reply.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. First, what school are you from?
Nawae
Secondary.
Nawae Secondary School, also known as Nawae Lutheran Secondary School, is located in the Nawae district of Morobe Province, Papua New Guinea. While it's in a rural setting, it's still relatively accessible to Lae, the provincial capital.
Okay. Water cooking gas.
So
Wow.
you see that there's that containers consist of water and petrol, both of them,
Water
and
and
petrol.
okay.
But they cannot mix according to their density. Water has greater density to it sinks,
Yes.
and petrol has
Floats.
less density to it floats.
Okay.
Like a dry coconut in a store.
Yeah.
But for that container there's nothing here. But we used to pump three types of air: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen. Use a bicycle pump to pump that air into the particular container here. When you pump the particular air into the particular container, there is a switch here, gas valve acting as an open and close switch
Okay.
to transform the air to that container here. By looking at it, you can see that when I put the switch there, when you put the switch on, you see the bubbles is rising. The bubbles rising is that the carbon dioxide is present, because outside there is a nitrogen and carbon dioxide bubbles, and then the substance burning is oxygen. So when it rises, that heat and the steam from that rising carbon dioxide produce an oxygen. So that oxygen we use to make a substance burning. So please, can you stand? Give up with 1 hour.
See? That's amazing.
So as in a settlement like this, you can use this kind of method.
Method.
To avoid you spending too much money for LPG gas.
Yes. You're right.
Firewood, right now it costs a lot of money. We are in the village or community, we don't know, but I think settlement is costs a lot of money to spend, even food and firewood also. So that water and petrol will never run out. This we find out from biology. Biology and chemistry we are related together.
Yes.
So in the topic of changing of gas surface. So water just come present to make balance. Otherwise, if there is no water present, it from there will then follow that hose all the way from there, and then you will explode.
Oh, okay.
So without with water, there will no any problem. But what you consider is the amount of the air that you will use to pump here. If the switch there determines the flame,
Okay.
amount of the flame,
Amount of the
above or below,
Okay.
and how long it lasts. You can use even tires, tubes, and chains or something like this to make it extended. So it will take long time for it to cool.
Thank you. Very amazing because it's something I learned from you guys.
Thank you.
It's something
I
I
think
learned
that's all.
from you guys.
All you question.
Thank you. Thank you.
This water stove exhibition would not only be a show to the students' ingenuity but also a way forward, showing how education at Nawae Secondary is directly contributing to a healthier and more sustainable future for Morobe Province.